Sauteed beef with button mushroom in oyster sauce. Hi guys, samahan niyo po ako magluto tayo ng beef na may mushroom. So ito yung button mushroom. And guys, hiniwa lang po natin ito ng 3 cut bawat isang peraso at meron tayo ditong beef. Ito po yung beef na pang hot pot. So, ayan guys, meron tayo ditong bawang sibuyas. Ayan guys, bawang sibuyas lang po ang gagamitin ko dito. At yung ating beef, i-marinate natin ng salt. Ayan guys, at haluin natin itong mabuti. So, ayan guys, let's start to cook na tayo guys. Magpainit tayo ng kawali at lagyan natin ng mantika. So yan guys, i-fry muna natin yung ating mushroom. So yan guys, after na maluto na itong mushroom guys, ay hanguin lang natin ito at ilagay po sa malinis na plate. So yan guys, ay habang niluluto natin ito, yan guys, makikita mo na pag-fry lang po yung pagluto niya guys. So yan, lipat na natin sa malinis na plate. So after po nyan guys ay mag-gisa na tayo dito ng bawang at sibuyas guys. So, after po nang naigisa-gisa natin yung ating bawang sibuyas at ilagay na po natin yung ating beef. So, ayan guys. Yung ating beef ay haluin lang po natin ng mabilis at mabilis lang po ang pagluto nito guys kasi pag sobra sa luto guys ay matigas na yung ating beef. Ay, hindi na po pula, luto na po yan. Mag-add po tayo dito ng nor liquid, oyster sauce, salt, sugar, at black pepper. So, yun guys, ay haluin lang po natin ito mabuti. At i-add na po natin ang ating button mushroom. Then guys, ay luto-luto na po guys to. At i-add natin yung ating button mushroom. Ayan guys, ay ilagay na natin yung ating button mushroom. So yun guys, at i-mix lang po natin ng mabilis kasi luto na po yung ating mushroom. So yun, luto na po ito guys. I hope you like this video. Please give me thumbs up, like, share, and comment down below. Miss Ayusin mo here. Thanks for watching and God bless. See you to my next video. Miss Ayusin mo here. Thank you po and see you to my next video everyone. Bye bye. Love you all. Thank you po. Mama, chup chup. Please share naman po ng video ko guys. Salamat. Thank you so much. I love you all. Bye bye. And then, maglipat na po natin sa isang malinis na plate. At ito na po, that's it. Ready to serve na po ang ating ulam for dinner today. Thanks for watching everyone. God bless and everyone, followers, non-followers. Thank you and God bless. See you to my next video. Bye-bye. I love you all. Bye-bye. See you. Ito po, nagdagdag ako dito ng pork with broccoli at yung beef with